Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my new house. I'm so excited. This is why I look like this. Please excuse the no makeup and the crazy hair. The last couple of days have been really crazy. So let's just get right into the haul and the clean with me because I'm pretty sure this is why you guys are here. Most of the stuff that I got is from Dollar Tree just because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on things that I was just gonna kind of use up really quickly, and I wanted to use a lot of strong products. I usually try to go for more natural cleaning products, but this time because I wanted to really make sure everything was really clean, I do use like bleach and like really harsh chemicals to clean the house for the first time. So speaking of harsh chemicals, I bought Powder Comet and then also Liquid Comet. We use these mainly for the bathroom, and then we got 2 toilet bowl cleaners. We got Pine Glow, and of course I got this to make it smell really good and to disinfect things and just kind of clean the floors. I got 2 packs of reusable gloves. I got reusable wipes. I bought 2 toilet bowl cleaners. I bought the Totally Awesome spray just because this comes in handy for a lot of things. And then I bought an empty bottle to dilute the Totally Awesome spray with water. And I bought 2 of these cabinet liners to put in our kitchen drawers. And we went to Walmart and we bought disinfectant spray and then glass cleaner. We bought paper towels and trash bags. I also bought dish soap from the dollar store, and we bought hand soap from Walmart. Just a disclaimer, I didn't film the whole process of me cleaning the whole entire house. We're still in between 2 places, and I left my tripod at the other place, so I got some footage, but not everything. I wish I would have gotten more, but I hope you're happy with this, and thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more things about home decor. The holidays are coming up. I'm so excited. More clean with me's, fitness things, and just like how we update our house in general. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. It literally took me so long to clean these blinds, but I'm so satisfied. And they were disgusting. They were so dirty, like disgusting.